Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning Talk, your weekday business news channel. Today, the whole of India celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, and here's wishing everyone a very happy Janmashtami. Hare Krishna. It is Monday morning, August 26, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights of Friday, August 23, 2024. The Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, remained sideways for the whole day, ending Friday's range-bound trading session slightly higher as investors awaited clues about possible interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve in this year from a scheduled speech by U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell at the ongoing Jackson Hole Economic Symposium in the U.S. At the closing bell, the BSE Sensex was at 81,086, up by 33 points or 0.04%, while the broader Nifty 50 was at 24,823, up marginally by 11 points or 0.05%. The Bank Nifty settled 52 points or 0.1% lower at 50,933. In the broader markets, small cap and mid cap stocks closed in the red. Tata Motors, Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finserv, and ICICI Bank were the top gainers on the BSE Sensex, while Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Asian Paints, Titan, and Infosys were the top drags. 13 out of the 30 stocks on the BSE Sensex ended in the red. Top gainers on the Nifty were Bajaj Auto, Coal India, Tata Motors, Sun Pharma, and Bharti Airtel, while losers included Wipro, ONGC, Divi's Lab, LTI Mindtree, and Infosys. Meanwhile, auto was the only sectoral gainer, closing higher by 1.12%. In contrast, the realty index shed 2.24%, followed by the media and IT indices that closed lower by about 1%. India VIX was up 0.55 points or 4.25% to 13.55 on Friday. In global news, US stocks tested record highs on Friday as Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell delivered remarks at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 462 points to 41,175. The S&P 500 gained 64 points to 5,635, and the Nasdaq Composite added 258 points to 17,878. Brent crude is trading at 79.56 per barrel, and gold is at rupees 6,775 per gram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, technically, the index entered the gap zone of 24,852 to 24,956, but faced resistance, leading to the formation of an inside bar candle on the daily scale. For the week, the index gained 1.15% and formed a bullish candlestick pattern on the weekly time frame, continuing the formation of higher highs and higher lows for another week, which is a positive sign. On the downside, the 21-day exponential moving average, that's DEMA, positioned near 24,510, which will act as a strong support. As long as the index holds about 24,500, a buy on dip strategy should be employed. On the upside, levels around 24,960 to 24,580 will act as resistance points for the Nifty. For traders, technically 24,700 and the 20-day SMA, that is simple moving average, or 24,550 would be key supports, while 24,900 to 25,000 could act as a crucial resistance area. However, if the index falls below the 20-day SMA or 24,550, the uptrend would be vulnerable. Stocks radar: Ashok Buildcon, Karur Vysya Bank, Dr. Reddy's Lab, BEL, Trent, Religare Enterprises, ONGC, Transport Corporation of India, Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Bharat Electronics, Trent, Uno Minda, IDFC, Zydus Life Sciences, Lemon Tree Hotels, and Bharat Dynamics will be in focus on August 26th. That's today. The National Stock Exchange has announced a reorganization of its Nifty equity indices. Bharat Electronics and Trent will be included in the Nifty 50 effective September 30, while Divi's Laboratories and LTI Mindtree will be excluded from the index. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for today's market. Happy investing, stay inspired, enjoy the festivities, and remember, it is all about money.